Hello everyone, and welcome to Quizzybits. Grab your bells, sharpen your minds, and let the Christmas challenge begin. Round 1 is about to begin. Each statement has only 2 choices, true or false. Let's see how sharp your festive facts really are. Let's start now. Christmas is celebrated on December 25th. True or false? Answer is true. Santa Claus is also known as Saint Nicholas. True or false? It's true. The traditional Christmas colors are blue and yellow. True or false? Answer is false. Rudolph is a reindeer with a red nose. True or false? It's true. The Christmas tree is usually decorated with eggs. True or false? It's false. The song, Jingle Bells, was originally written for Thanksgiving. True or false? It's true. Mistletoe is a plant associated with Christmas traditions. True or false? It's true. The Grinch loves Christmas. True or false? It's false. Boxing Day is the day after Christmas. True or false? It's true. Frosty the Snowman is made of sand. True or false? It's false. Great job making it this far. Now it's time for round 2, the multiple choice round. Each question comes with 4 options, but only one is correct. Are you ready? Let's start. Which material were early Christmas ornaments often made from? Answer is glass. What does the ringing of bells during Christmas traditionally symbolize? Answer is celebration and joy. Which country is credited with starting the tradition of Christmas markets? Answer is Germany. What sweet treat is traditionally shaped like a log during Christmas? Answer is Yule log cake. In popular folklore, what helps Santa know if a child has been good? Answer is naughty or nice list. Which color is often associated with peace in Christmas symbolism? Answer is white. What is traditionally hidden inside some Christmas puddings? Answer is coin. Which instrument is commonly associated with Christmas caroling? Answer is bell. What does exchanging Christmas cards mainly represent? Answer is gratitude and goodwill. Which shape is most commonly used for Christmas cookies? Answer is star. Congratulations to our Festive Trivia Masters. Hope you have liked this quiz. Wishing you joy, laughter, and warm moments this season. Christmas tree, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Christmas tree. If you enjoyed this Christmas trivia, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.